Have you ever felt someone's presence without a word being spoken? Like a shadow moving in the corners of your life, silent but powerful, unseen yet unforgettable? What if I told you, presence speaks louder than words? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll feel something you didn't know you could, and trust me, it'll stay with you long after the screen goes dark. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a story that moves your soul. Life is a river, silent yet unstoppable. It flows deep beneath the surface, carrying moments, memories, and feelings we sometimes can't put into words. Like a quiet presence that stays with you even when it's gone. This is a story about connection, impact, and the unseen energy that surrounds us. A story about how someone or something can move through your life without a single spoken word, yet leave an imprint that changes everything. The silent force. Imagine walking through your day and someone's essence lingers around you. You don't hear them, yet you feel them. Their presence is unmistakable. Their influence is undeniable. This is the power of being truly present, even in silence. We often underestimate silence. We think only words matter. But the quiet, the pauses, the unspoken gestures, they carry weight. They captivate attention, create tension, build intrigue, and leave a mark that words often cannot. Even when I don't speak, you feel me. Every glance, every movement, every choice, it tells a story louder than 1,000 words. Daily life observations, in the quiet suburbs of your life, in the spaces between routine and expectation, life whispers its truths. You might find yourself staring at roses in your grandmother's garden, feeling the weight of time and legacy. These small details, the heat of the sun, the hum of the city, the faint scent of memory, carry lessons if you pay attention. Keep your focus sharp. Protect what matters. Never let the ordinary dull your senses. The heat, the quiet, the small moments, they are more significant than you think. And when you're gone, the echoes of your presence linger long after you've left the room. The test of life. Life doesn't hand out success for free. Fame, fortune, recognition, they all come at a cost. Most will never reach the heights they dream of because they refuse the sacrifices required. There are no shortcuts, no guarantees, no free passes. Only those willing to invest themselves fully, heart, soul, time, truly leave an impact. Ask yourself, can you give everything? Can you show up fully, even when no one notices? Can you take the punches life throws at you and still stand tall, silent but unshakable? Because the people who truly matter aren't impressed by words alone. They feel presence, they feel energy, they feel dedication. That's the silent power that defines greatness, love, strength, and connection. Can you love with the same intensity you fight for success? Can you be present, loyal, unwavering, even without constant validation? These are the questions life throws at us, testing not only our strength but our ability to be felt. There's a certain power in a quiet man or a quiet woman. A strength that doesn't shout but radiates. The type of presence that makes others feel safe, valued, and seen. The type of energy that leaves people in awe even when nothing is said. It's not about boasting or bragging. It's about leaving an imprint, giving everything without needing applause. And when you leave, your absence is felt. When you return, your presence is celebrated. This is the dance of true impact. The energy you leave behind, every hour you invest, every moment you dedicate, every silent action, it accumulates. Your presence grows, your energy resonates. People remember how you made them feel, not what you said. And the greatest of us all understand that the quietest rivers run the deepest. Even when I don't speak, my presence is undeniable. It lingers, it influences, it inspires. That is, the silent art of leaving a mark, a legacy that no words can match. Life lessons and reflection. Don't underestimate the subtle power of presence. Don't overlook the impact of quiet dedication. The world rewards those who move with purpose even when unseen. They feel every action, every choice, every heartbeat. And their influence is eternal. The heat, the intensity, the effort you invest. It all comes back. When you leave, people feel the void. When you arrive, they feel the energy. When you exist, even in silence, you shape the world around you. This is not about being loud. It's about being felt. It's about being real, being present, being unforgettable. So what will you leave behind? Will your life be like a river, silent but deep, carving a path that others remember? Will your presence be felt even when you are gone? If you felt the power of this message, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Let's create a community that values presence, impact, and the silent power within us all. Thank you for watching. Remember, sometimes the strongest voices are the ones we never hear, yet feel the most.